story we've been following very, very closely on the News Hour agenda, that deadly violence that took place in Bengaluru close to a week ago. 3 lives were lost, more than 100 people were injured. 264 arrests have been made so far. Over 50 FIRs have been filed against people involved in the violence. Remember, it was a Congress MLA who was the target of this mob in Bengaluru. The messages that we have shown you here on the channel, the WhatsApp messages, the Facebook messages that were exchanged speak of extreme hate, of how people were saying that there is only one punishment for this offense, for somebody sharing a post against the Prophet, that he should be beheaded. This was the fate that the Congress MLA could have met. Yet, for some reason, today the Congress decided to lead a delegation comprising of Mr. N.A. Harris, CM Ibrahim, Tanveer Seth and Nasir Hussain. They met the city's police commissioner and said that innocent people who have been arrested for the Bengaluru riots should be released. This, even as the investigation is still on.
ಅವ್ರ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಾವೀಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಆ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆ ಥರ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒತ್ತಡ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಲಾಗಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಮಾನವೀಯತೆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಅವರವರ ರೈಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ರೈಟನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸೋದು. ನಾನೀಗ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಸರಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಸರಿ ಅನಿಸಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನೀಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ನನಗೇನು ಸರಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಸರಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
The hooligans burnt the police station and also their own legislators' home. The vote bank politics is today has made them lose their balance and pragmatism and trying to scuttle an impartial probe by these so-called secular leaders of Congress.
Now, remember, this is happening as people with links to the Congress have been arrested for their involvement in the riots. 3 people so far. The latest is Arun, PA and relative of former mayor and Congress leader Sampath Raj. This arrest comes after investigation revealed that Arun was in touch with Muzammil Pasha, a member of the SDPI and accused number 3 in one of the FIRs filed for the Bangalore violence. Before this, Feroz Pasha, who has been a general secretary of the Congress in Bengaluru, was arrested for sharing derogatory posts against Hindu gods. Does it end there? No. Yet another accused, Kaleem Pasha, he's also been arrested. He's the husband of Congress corporator Irshad Begum and a close aide of Congress leader and former minister KJ George. He's also believed to be close to former chief minister Mr. Siddaramaiah. So with the alleged involvement of its own people in the rioting and now this plea for amnesty for alleged rioters, what really is the message that the Congress is sending out? Why is it that they decide to stand not with their MLA but for people who are in jail allegedly for rioting?
You're watching the News Hour at 10. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Amit Magre, spokesperson of the BJP, continues with us. We are joined by author Anurag Naidu. We'll be joined in a bit by spokesperson of the Congress, Brijesh Kalappa, joining us live from Bengaluru. And my first question is to Mr. Atikur Rahman. Why would a mainstream political party go and seek the release of rioters, Mr. Rahman?
Padmaja, I believe, in the past 4 to 5 years, whenever such incidents happen, it is the crackdown of the police, mainly in the BJP states, wherein the crackdown is mainly on the youth, the Muslim youth. So they are very much wary of and we are fed up, after 16 long years when a Muslim youth gets released from the court without any
there will be relief if you don't indulge in riots. There's a fairly simple formula to getting relief from police crackdown. Don't indulge in riots. You will get supreme relief.
Padmaja, herein we are going by the justice system, which is primarily under the states which are anti-Muslim and anti-minority. So what is the
How do you know that, sir?
Congress
How do you know that? Just a second. Just a second. I will, dig your mind a little bit. I need to pick your brains a little bit more on this analysis that you have of police action. But let me get in now, Brijesh Kalappa, spokesperson of the Congress. Mr. Kalappa, I want you to take a look at the house of the MLA who was attacked, whose nephew had put up that Facebook post. It's now reduced to ashes. And yet there was a Congress delegation which went to the commissioner saying that innocent people are being picked up, they should be released. Why is it that you choose to stand with those people arrested instead of your own MLA, Mr. Murthy?
Padmaja, I don't know if you have been following the news of several years, and several people who have been picked up for various offences have actually been proved to be innocent in a court of law, and it is the primary duty of people who are in public life to represent those people who they personally believe are meant to be honest and that they are innocent and they have had nothing to do with the riots. So as far as they're not saying that please release the entire lot, they are speaking for a certain few people, and I think they are doing that in in an absolutely bona fide manner. And if you're going to suspect them, you're welcome.
No, Mr. Kalappa, I'm just asking questions because you said that these people have gone in good faith because they are convinced about the innocence of these people. Could you care to share some details? How do you know that these people are innocent? How do you know that these people are innocent?
1 minute, Padmaja. I didn't say that they are asking for the entire lot to be released, but they are speaking of certain innocent people. Some of them are very young, some of them are only 12, 13, right? So they are only speaking of that lot, they are not the entire lot.
No, but even the ones whose release is being sought, how do you know they are innocent?
If they are 12 and 13, then the presumption is that they are innocent, Padmaja. Don't you know that? Don't you know that children...
Not really, sir. They could be juvenile offenders. If they are underage, that doesn't presume innocence. It just presumes they are juvenile offenders.
Maybe so, but there's a way of treating them, Padmaja. There's a way of treating... There are so many issues which... See, ultimately, this is between public representative and public authority. This is a question. This is something which is being done in the open. Why do you have a problem?
It is a problem because it seems to be, I want to point out to you the very important words that you used in your opening comments. You said over the years, there have been people who have been let go by the courts.
Yes.
And it is the court that will decide, not leaders of a political party. So why don't you wait for the investigation to happen? Isn't this trying to prejudge the outcome of the investigation?
No,
because the police in this case,
I've actually read
the FIR and the police says the arrests have been made on the basis of CCTV footage. People have been identified, hence arrested. Police has given its reasons for making arrests. What are your reasons for seeking release?
Are you the spokesperson for the police?
I'm not, which is why I'm giving you the platform to put forward your point of view.
Commissioner is the spokesperson for the police.
Police has given me their point of view. Police has given me their version. So I come to you asking for your version, which convinces you of innocence.
1 minute, Padmaja. So the point is this, that these are public representatives and they're meeting a public authority. It's between the two of them. Right? So it's for the police authorities to say that, sorry, we have enough material and be done with it.
Isn't it also between your own MLA, Mr. Akhand Murthy? He is the victim in this. You're saying it is between your leaders and the police who is going to speak up for Akhand Murthy, whose house was attacked.
We are all speaking for him. We are all in touch with him. Ultimately, the SDPI and the BJP have done a pact. They have done a secret pact. And naturally, they want to ruin the lives and reputation of the Congress party and of Mr. Akhanda Srinivas Murthy.
Sir, if you're saying, okay, I will circle back to this, what you say about, the BJP SDPI pact, because we actually have three people named who have Congress links or are active members of the Congress.
You're very agitated. But can you ask Mr.
Why should I be agitated, sir? I will be agitated, however, if people who are accused of rioting, there are people pleading on their behalf saying they should be released. That is cause for agitation. That is cause for agitation. You would agree. Nobody wants a rioter back on the streets. There is cause for agitation. So let me just hold you for a second. The questions that you've raised.
Can I ask Mr. Malviya a question?
Go on.
Why is the PFI or the SDPI not been banned for the last 6 years? Can you give me an answer?
Amit Malviya.
Is it because PFI and SDPI and RSS and BJP are two sides of the same coin? Is it because of this reason that for 6 long years Mr. Modi, the strong man, has been in power and he is powerless to act against the PFI and the SDPI repeatedly? They carry all these attacks, they kill people, but Ultimately, Mr. Modi doesn't want to do anything against them
Okay,
because
okay,
they're touching the
let him answer now. Yes, answer, Amit Malviya. But I will circle back to the issue of Congress,
You
people
can
with
do what you
Congress
like,
links
but
also being arrested.
You're
Yes,
in a
go on.
certain channel and you have a certain
All right.
mandate. Please do it.
Okay.
I have no mandate, sir, which is why I
No,
will
that's what-
welcome you.
that's what repeated
I will welcome
anchor
you
says.
to get that
Repeated
platform.
follow the same
This is not going to stop me from asking questions, but please
But
go
that's
ahead. You have
okay.
had a
It's
question.
not-
Get your
don't
answer.
Stop me from telling you that your channel is a BJP channel.
Amit Malviya, you are free to say
Okay.
that. I will vehemently refute it, but I will still give you the platform because I believe in freedom of
that's
speech. I will still get you the
that's okay.
platform
You're not
to
doing
say
me a
that,
favor.
even
You're not
though
doing me a
I will
favor.
vehemently
You're not
refute
doing
it.
me a favor. You're not doing my party a favor.
I am doing nobody a favor, sir. I am doing my job. That's the
I
point.
don't know if you're doing
Go
your
on.
job, but you're doing
Amit
something.
Malviya, answer.
Okay, Brijesh, if you are done with your somersault for the evening, let me just
Not for
please have my
somersault,
word.
sir. Please answer one
Okay.
quiet question. Why is the BJP, the SDPI, and the
Brijesh, let
PFI
me
not
speak.
being
Let
banned
me
for
speak.
6 years?
I know the Congress is tying itself in knots, but I think you should
Yeah,
be
yeah.
a little patient and hear me out. Look, Padmaja, I think I'm not going to mince words here. The reality is that the man whose house was attacked and burned down, and that of his
No answer.
sister,
No
he's
answer
a
to
man
why the
called
PFI is not being
Akhand
banned for 6 years.
Srinivasa. He is a Congress MLA. He
Yes.
comes from the
And
Dalit
whom you're
community.
trying to bring
He
into the BJP.
represents a reserved seat. People living in that constituency, namely the Muslims, have targeted his house and his family for a mere Facebook post. The Congress today, instead of speaking for law and for the wrong that has been done to Akhanda Murthy, who is a Dalit, are standing
By the way, his
today
name
with
is
the Muslim
Akhanda Srinivasa
rioters
Murthy.
because
By the way, his name is
these
Akhanda
Muslims
Srinivasa
are
Murthy.
the
So if you have
Congress's
any idea
vote bank.
about the gentleman whom you
They
are
are
now
the
trying to
Congress's
expose,
vote bank
please
because
tell us
they
full
are
name.
also
Please
members
be
of the
corrected for this
SDPI, and
pronunciation.
SDPI has close linkages with the Congress party in Karnataka. SDPI is
So
the
ban the
political arm
SDPI,
of
sir.
PFI, who are known for radicalizing young men and women in states like Kerala, Karnataka, Delhi, UP, and wherever else
Brijesh
you may can think of.
Kalappa, this is vote
Now,
bank
Padmaja,
compulsion, says Amit Malviya. This is vote bank compulsion. And also, let me say, I want to quote to you a report in the Bangalore Mirror which says, Bengaluru riots, Congress struggles to rein in Akhand Srinivas Murthy. Congress appears to be in a tight spot to rein in Murthy to make him toe the party line on the August 11 arson. Murthy wanted a CBI probe. The Congress is trying to pressure him into toeing the party line. Isn't it strange that a man whose house has been burnt down hasn't even filed an FIR? What is
So
the pressure on
basically,
him?
Yes, basically, Padmaja, you're not going to ask Amit why the PFI or the SDPI is not going to be banned. You have not asked him why it's not been banned for 6 long years. You don't. It doesn't bother you.
Sir, will
It
you
doesn't
not
bother
answer
because-
any of my question and just attack me?
No,
I gave you the
no.
platform. I made him answer that question. Will you now
No,
answer
you-
my
he didn't
question?
answer that
Why is
question.
it that Mr.
He didn't
Murthy is
answer
not
that
filing an
question,
FIR after his own house is burnt?
No, Padmaja, look, I see this is all on national television. People are watching you, people are watching me, people are
Yes.
watching Amit. So everybody's making their own opinion. Everybody's forming their own opinion, right? So kindly, it's a very simple question. It's been 6 years since Mr. Strongman, 56-inch chest, Mr. Modi has assumed office, right? It's been 6 years, and Amit was so, he spoke so beautifully. He expounded the
Okay,
entire
so
case
let me
against
make a
SDPI.
proposition.
So why is the-
Mr. Kalappa,
why
you
is
say
SDPI
that
not being
the
banned?
BJP has failed in banning. Let me say on
No, I'm
record,
not
despite
saying
your
that.
allegation that we are
I'm
a
not
BJP
saying that.
channel, yes, it's
I'm
a
not
failure
saying
on
that.
part of the BJP, although they
No,
banned
I'm
them in
not saying
Jharkhand,
that.
the court overturned it. Let me say it's a massive failure on part of the BJP. When you were in government in Karnataka and the centre, since you say that the SDPI is a terrorist organization and you want it banned, how many motions were made to ban the SDPI at that time?
Because nobody misbehaved during our time, Padmaja.
Sir,
people take the Congress
the
party seriously.
SDPI is
People
accused of
people
chopping
take
off the
Congress
hand
party
of a
seriously.
professor
This is
in
second-
Kerala.
This is a second.
The
This is a
SDPI
second
is accused of
firing by
chopping
the
off the
BJP.
hand of Professor Joseph in Kerala because
So
he
we were not
dared
in power,
to teach a
Madam, then.
course.
We were not in power at that time.
Sir, you were in power
were
at
not-
the centre when the attack
No,
on
that-
Professor
Padmaja,
happened.
Unless the state makes a case, what can we do, madam?
Okay. When did the
Okay,
attack on
Padmaja.
Rudresh happen?
No, Rudresh, we don't know. That's a RSS chap. Rudresh, incidentally, is an RSS chap It's the RSS which has to take up the case, meaning that the
Sir,
RSS
you were in
doesn't take
government
up
when
for
the
its own
attack on
workers.
Rudresh happened in Karnataka. Why didn't you ask for a ban
That's
on the
right, but-
SDPI then?
But that's, I'm saying Rudresh is an RSS worker. And
But
the
a murder
RSS
is a
has
murder.
given up on Rudresh. No, RSS has given up on Rudresh. And today the RSS is in power.
Sir,
so they-
I am
they've
saying
not done-
that the
ban the-
failure to ban the SDPI is a failure on part of the centre right now and the state
Yes.
government. My question is, why didn't you ban the SDPI? Or were you a failure as well?
Padmaja, I know you're very smart, but I think we are discussing current issues, no, Padmaja? Or you want to discuss, the issues which have been dealt with? People have given a mandate, Padmaja. I know you want to hold the Congress party responsible for all the ills of the country.
Sir?
That's your
Padmaja, can I come in
policy.
there,
I have
please?
no issue on that. I have no issue on
Padmaja.
that. But
Okay,
we are discussing current
I think it is unfair for you to still persist in saying that, despite the fact I have said unequivocally that it's a massive failure for somebody to not put a ban on this particular party. Yet
but
I am
please
going to
ask him the
conclude by
question,
asking
Padmaja.
yet again by
Please ask-
showing you. It's just a second, sir. Just a second. It's okay for people to make recommendations, but I want you to end by taking a look at the wife of Mr. Akhand Murthy when she went in
No,
and she
he's our
saw
MLA
her house
wife.
burnt to the
He's our
ground.
MLA.
This
You don't even know what
woman,
his
this
full
lady
name is.
was wailing,
Akhand
and
Murthy.
imagine for her to
And
see
Akhand-
that members of the party her husband belongs to are now seeking the release of people accused of fanning and carrying out those riots. I will just leave you and people, the viewers, with those thoughts, because like you said, we will be judged by what we say and our actions. It's a public platform. Thanks very much for having shared your views, Mr. Kalappa, and to you, Mr. Malviya. Thank you very much, viewers, for joining in.